will move all furniture. But you need to move your knickknacks, picture frames, lamps, books, music, anything on top of your tables and furniture, including expensive china in cabinets. And we will move the rest. You move the small stuff, we move the big stuff.
Number 2! Don't forget about your bedding.
Please remove all bedding, including sheets, pillows, and comforters. We do not remake beds.
Number 3! No, we won't move that. No, 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 no.
We do not move pianos, pool tables, fish tanks, gym equipment, and electronics, including TVs and computers. We will move all appliances except dishwashers or disconnect gas stoves. We will move the stove, but we will not connect or disconnect the gas lines.
Number 4! Don't empty out your closets, but clear out those shoes.
You don't need to empty your closets, but please remove all shoes on the floor and lift up any long jackets or dresses so we can work on the floor comfortably.
Number 5! We will not cut down the doors.
That's true. We don't cut down doors.
Number 6! Lock up your furry and your slimy friends.
Please kindly lock up your pets and animals.
Number 7! Here's how we go about the payments, yeah!
We collect the COD/balance upon installer arrival. We will not start without payment. Certified checks or credit/debit card only.
Healthy